going to be Iman.
Hi.
And her team is going to be Momina.
I'm done.
So we're both are gonna go first. So judges are gonna give us 2 ingredients.
I'm gonna give them the ingredients now.
Pick!
Which one should I?
I have no idea which one. I'm gonna go for this one, I think, because this is not heavy, I think.
Let's feel the weight too.
I'm gonna go for this one.
I'll go for the light one because I don't eat heavy.
Yeah, and this one is so heavy, so I'm gonna go for this one.
I'm ready.
Me too.
2, 3.
So I've chosen banana.
Next round. This one is so heavy.
I picked mine.
I think I picked this one.
Okay, I'm gonna take off my blindfold. 3, 2, 1.
Third round.
Let's pick. I'm gonna this one. This one feels nothing. Both don't feel. This one is kind of heavy, so I'm gonna go
Heavy. That time I picked light. I'm gonna go on heavy light, guys.
This time I picked light, so now I'm gonna go for heavy. So this is heavy.
I know you stop. I think I'll go for this invisible. Whatever it is. Let me feel it, guys. It's kind of gooey. I don't know what gooey is. I will pick this one.
I will pick this one because I think this can feel honey.
3, 2, 1.
I got sugar.
I got so good.
And this is honey.
I got honey.
I got sugar.
We're gonna make smoothies.
We're gonna make
milkshakes. First ingredient is milk.
Let's pour all of it. Oh.
Next ingredient is bananas. The next ingredient is honey and sugar.
Should I put all of it? Let me just add a little bit. Yeah. Now shake it.
Let's shake You do that, I'll do this.
Now we need 2 glass. Oh, that's it.
Let's check it. It's ready or not. I can't open it.
Let me open it.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay, I'll open it. Guys, don't worry, we washed our hands. Let's have a small sip.
I'm good.
Pretty good. Now the judge is gonna taste it.
Can you sit down in the middle?